my YouTube channel ngixoxe namhlanje emgaqweni ngena nami sithando sami igama lami Nondumiswa Sihlangu from esikoleni and I'll go and do grocery if umusha la ekhaya siyakwamukela if uvele out hami impethu nje uyazi nawe ngiyakuncanya hlala phansi siyothenga igrocery nawe and we're gonna study with my friends. Say hello to my family.
Hello, I'm Nobile.
Yes. And yeah, and then we'll study and then yeah, let's go. You mean also engane bethu edit akuthatha isikhathi eside nokuthi phela nga edit mina lokho ukuthi manje uthi shama transaction
Kwabona abashama
ama-transaction uthi ubona ukuthi athatha afake imimi phakathi yabo nangisashaya into ezilight ngisashaya into ezilight aso sebehola ke vele mina nje Nkosi yami I'm just a girl yeah kodwa noma nini hayi banqo kade sisi sothwa kade ufunda noNdu wawa angazongicika wena hey guys siqale ngokufunda because ukuthi abantwana bazosheba late if bangipheze ngiqale ngenze inkosa so yeah sengiwenza yena manje and sebehambile bona and yeah Sabin, I think the guy can because Checkers Vala go 5, I don't know 8. And I think for example the Kentucky Tuesday so born. So yeah, Sabin got the man to see saying about cosmetics. And then sitting there because of that. And I'm so happy with Checkers Sula. It was like impida misilula bo Checkers la but ngifuna ama-cosmetics because ka-Checkers ngiyazazi mina ngiyakuthanda ukudla ngizogcina ngi-end up ngispend imali ekudleni ngingasawathenganga ama-cosmetics so angicanga ngama-cosmetics before ngize e-Checkers and sengiya e-discount for now and then yeah top really guys. Yes, I am. I'm obsessed in the coffee machine. Sesinasokuthi suppose ukuthi ngiyenza nelokhunjana nevaseline. Angikwazanga ngenza izolo but siyayenza manje olunye usuku namhlanje siyayenza senze sushi for the first time something. Hey, akaneli shuthi ngiyamkhipha ngeke phela. Hey. Bafunika. Vela fast. Cousin, van pressa foot. Cousin. Oh ya bamba. angazi asifudumeze nibisi saba mina ngisazi ke guys ngitshela kodwa kuyathembisa ukuthi khona okuzayo bathi ukuthanda izinto ozosibulala fanele ngithole ilokhunjani empahla ukufaka mama love hawu ishoti phela leyana ayingekeke bayarobha hayibo ayingeke bayarobha alisanoke kamnandi kanjena alisanoke kamnandi kanje guys ayingeke ishoti le guys idlala ngami guys I understand ukuthi ayibo yazi yanoha mnandi into hayi angazi mina indaba lento iyimeli ngaphela mina efanele ayimisi noma kushuthi seli-4:30 kahle shuthi-ke seli-4:30 kahle umuntu omnyama-ke sisi umuntu omnyama-ke but iyafoteka I think fanele ngisenzise icup encane so sengiyazi kushuthi kusasa fanele ngizame ukulokhunja ukuthola like a small cup ezokwazi ukungena ngathi ngizobona kanjani guys nakubandla ama-babies angami but nanti yabo kusuke kwalachitheka so yeah sesibonile-ke into esesizoyenza ukuthola i-fourth le ebo le ayile yami le engathi icup nyana so that if usithela izokwazi ukwenza lento esifuna ukuyenza bo because ufuna ukwenza nohathi nje so yeah thank you so much have a nice day or have a good night whenever you're watching this video. Just have a peaceful one. I love you. Thank you.